Welcome to Daily Exam Preparation Channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's dive into the topic.
Question: which of the following is a landlocked country in South America? Answer A. Paraguay. Question: which landlocked country is located in the Horn of Africa? Answer B. Ethiopia. Question: which European country is landlocked and known for its neutrality? Answer B. Switzerland. Question: which of these African countries is landlocked? Answer B. Zambia. Question: which of the following landlocked countries is located in Central Asia? Answer B. Kyrgyzstan. Question: which landlocked country is the smallest by area? Answer C. San Marino. Question: which landlocked country is completely surrounded by South Africa? Answer A. Lesotho. Question: which landlocked country is known as the roof of the world? Answer C. Tajikistan. Question: which landlocked country in Europe is famous for its medieval castles and is located between Austria and Hungary? Answer A. Slovakia. Question: which landlocked country in Africa has the capital city of Ouagadougou? Answer B. Burkina Faso. Question: which landlocked country in South America is bordered by Argentina, Brazil, and Paraguay? Answer B. Paraguay. Question: which landlocked country in Central Asia shares borders with China, Afghanistan, and Uzbekistan? Answer A. Tajikistan. Question: which landlocked country in Africa was formerly known as Upper Volta? Answer C. Burkina Faso. Question: which landlocked European country is known for its alpine skiing and is bordered by Austria and Switzerland? Answer A. Liechtenstein. Question: which landlocked country in Asia is located between India and China and is known for its Buddhist monasteries? Answer B. Bhutan. Question: which landlocked country in Africa has the capital city of Lilongwe? Answer A. Malloy. Question: which landlocked country in Europe has Bratislava as its capital? Answer B. Slovakia. Question: which landlocked country in Central Asia is the largest by area? Answer A. Kazakhstan. Question: which landlocked country is completely surrounded by Italy? Answer A. San Marino. Question: which landlocked country in Africa has the capital city Ndjamena? Answer A. Chad. Question: which landlocked country in Europe is known for its rich coal deposits and has Prague as its capital? Answer A. Czech Republic. Question: which landlocked country in South America has Sucre as its constitutional capital? Answer A. Bolivia. Question: which landlocked country in Africa is known for the Okavango Delta? Answer A. Botswana. Question: which landlocked country in Asia shares a border with both Afghanistan and China? Answer B. Tajikistan. Question: which landlocked country in Europe is famous for its thermal springs and spa towns, with its capital at Budapest? Answer A. Hungary. Question: which landlocked country in Africa is bordered by Tanzania, Mozambique, and Zambia? Answer A. Malawi. Question: which landlocked country in Central Asia has Bishkek as its capital? Answer A. Kyrgyzstan. Question: which landlocked country in Europe is located between France and Spain? Answer A. Andorra. Question: which landlocked country in Africa has the capital city Gaborone? Answer A. Botswana. Question: which landlocked country in Asia is known for its mountainous terrain and is located north of India? Answer B. Nepal.
Thanks for watching. If you've got any ideas or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for your support. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.